I have to interrupt because some other work come to me. Let's finish our Numpy basic. So I have created uh, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. This is 3D array. This is one to 3D array in this way. This is one square bracket. This is two square bracket, and this is three square bracket. So it becomes the let's print it and okay, and let's run. So how he it printed? You can see one, two, and three, and then under this, your will this created. Okay, so we have let's comment this. Okay, and there is a zeros function. If we create a is equal to np dot sorry zeros okay, now 3 3, and if we will print, you can better, you don't have to understand that this is three rows. This is telling basically this is three rows and three columns. Okay, if you here alter, this is four and this is five. So let's run. So you can see one, two, three, five columns, one, two, three, four rows and five column, you can say. Okay, so this is for the concept for this is for zeros function. I want to with the okay. Now there is, if there is zero, then there is also a one. If there is zero, then this is wherever is zero, and there is one. So suppose we have is equal to b is equal to np dot 1 4 5. Okay, so 4 5 is basically what this is. This is saying this is four rows and five column. Okay, let's run. Let's see what is this is printing. Same, but in this time one. Okay, so there is another function. So full function. Let's comment this. So no space can occupy. So let's see. C is equal to np, sorry, np dot, so this is full. So let's see what it is saying. So if we print this and run it, so it is saying, so four rows, one, two, three, four, five columns, one, two, three, four, five, and the number is five. If you here write eight, then definitely it will be print eight. So this is and in this array Numpy, there is another create a Numpy array with UD. D is equal to np. Okay, so this let's equal it. So it will be now if you print this np, and what it will be say 0, sorry, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 1 2 3. It's printing random. Again run, then it will be definitely be different. This is always it will be different. So you can uh, run practice your own. This is the short video. That's why I am going hurriedly. So there is another matrix numpy. So we will here uh, create. Let's say e is equal to np dot I. Okay, and there is three. So let's print what is this printing so you can better understanding. So this is 1000110, and if we make it 4, so let's see what is. So you can say that this is increasing the number of columns. Okay, this is increasing the number of columns. Remember, you can here see. So you can here see this is increasing number of columns. So I hope so that you have got the point. So this is short video. We are not here for your whole extracting your whole time. So we are going summary. So there is an also a range function. So G is equal to N P array function N P dot this is a range N P dot range function and then print G, and now let's run. So this is you can here said that this is your range 1 to 10. Okay, so it's definitely some mistake in here. Now we will run and let's see. So this is the range function will not work here. You can see that this range function cannot be run here. Okay, so this is for your information that the range function will not run like that. So someone has question, that's why I came here. So here is the np dot array. Okay, now print h. Let's see, it is printing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 in array mode, and what it will be print. Okay, let's run. So you can see it is printing and okay. So let's see. This is definitely the two, one, two, three. Okay, this is two gap. This is for gap. You how much gap you want. If you want to give one, so then you will run. Then definitely it will all will be different. If you here is if you let's suppose minus two. Let's see, it's giving minus two. Yes, this is minus two. Video is going to be very long, so uh, I want to quickly finish. I will try to will quickly finish this. So this is the array. How you can print this. Okay. So there is another function in Numpy. Have you heard line space? So this is this is basically for your just understanding. Let's suppose G is equal to NP dot. Okay, we are line space. Okay, this is not E here. That is sorry for mistake. So now we will open that, and definitely first we will run, and then I will show you, try to explain. Okay, there is a range line space. You can say this is start from one and end till 10. So this will print. You will see here that this is will print 10. So if we do it 11 and then run, so you can say that 1.9, 2.8, 3.7, 4.6, 5.5, 9.1. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So here this is showing that how much you want to divide. If you want to divide only two, then this definitely will print two numbers only. if we run this, and you may see there that, so this is you can play with this. This is the lens space function. So let's move more forward. There is another function called indices. So we will comment. Okay, I will comment it there. Okay. So okay. So I will again, a is equal to, sorry, my cap lock mistakenly open. So a is equal to a is equal to np dot indices. Okay. And now if we now click, let's run. And now I will. So this is basically, if you here add, let's suppose 4, for your understanding, then you will see that this is printing 4 columns. If we here do it 4, then it will, okay. So if you print more, let's see what it will be print. This is for your understanding. You must play with yourself to then people run. Then definitely you may think that this become divided into two. There are two, only two number. Okay, if we let's suppose one and then run, then a one is not permissible. Okay, you can see that at least more two you have to uh, uh, if we suppose, then it will let's see, definitely throw an error. And now two, so so two is also not. Oh, so there is some mistake. Okay, if we set one, uh, then you can say that this is triple dimension. Each of them is not iterable. Okay, so if we do it two, now I can run, and it is also throw an error. Okay. Okay, now if we increase, and now if we run, so this is for your understanding, so you may play yourself. Okay, so if you have any query, so you can write in the comment section that what is happening here. In the later video I will explain you. Okay, now let's jump to the next. There is data type numpy. Okay, so I think the video is going to very large, so we have to finish